नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू. Welcome to the short series. I come to the realization that we are very busy in these times. So inshallah, I welcome you to the Arabic Grammar Essential, the ultimate short guide for busy learners. So if you are a beginner looking to learn Arabic grammar quickly and efficiently, then you have come to the right place. This short series aims to take you through the fundamental aspects of Arabic grammar in a concise and easily digestible format. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. So inshallah, we are going to start with the Arabic letters. Alhamdulillah, as average Muslims, we all know our Arabic letters, but the debate is that how many letters are there. So there is a there is a opinion that there are 29 letters, and there are 28 letters. So all alif serves two purposes. So we have alif. If we count hamza as the letter, then it's 29, and if we don't count the hamza, then the letters are 28. So we know that alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra. Inshallah, I don't want to go over this. You can read this, and inshallah, this is good enough. However, I want to start with the parts of speech, and let's continue, or let's do this. Okay, so let's start with the parts of speech, and let's take English as our reference language. So we will compare English with the Arabic language. So English has 8 parts of speech, which is like a noun, a word which refers to a person, a place, or a thing, a pronoun, an adjective, an adverb, an interjection, verb, conjunction, and preposition. These are the 8 parts of speech. Let me summarize this in a chart format so that we can see. On the other hand, the Arabic has only 3 parts of speech. Ismun, which is the noun, fi'lun, which is the verb, and the harfun, which is the particle. And if we summarize this in a chart, you can see that in reality, Arabic also has 8 parts of speech. However, the Arabic people, or the people of the Arabic grammar, they have combined the 5 different nouns, or these 5 different aspects of the English parts of speech into one category called noun. So the noun, the pronoun, the adjective, adverb, interjection, they're all in the ismun category. The verb stays verb and is fi'lun, and conjunction and preposition is called particle or harfun. So let's take a quick look at what is the smallest unit in the language. So we know that in any language, the smallest unit is the letter. Then the letter comes together to form words, and the words come together to form fragments. And then fragment comes together to form sentences. Now we will begin our study with words. So in Arabic language, there are 3 types of words, namely ismun, fi'lun, harfun. So every word in Arabic falls into one of these 3 categories. So let's look at al-ism, which is in English is known as a noun. And ism is defined as a person, place, thing, idea, adjective, adverb, and more. So for example, Muhammad, Maryam, teacher, writer, these are the names of person. However, Muhammad and Maryam is the name of a specific person, so these are proper nouns. Whereas the teacher and writer is a common noun. Okay, so as you can see, there are specific names, and these are general names. Similarly, and name of a place is also considered a noun. For example, Egypt, Arabia, school, store, and the same idea. Egypt and Arabia are the name of a specific place. They are the proper nouns, whereas school and store are general nouns. Okay. Similarly, a name of a thing is also considered a noun. For example, a book, a pen, a camera, a table. A thing is a material object that can be touched. So see the examples above. However, sometimes we have an idea, and that idea or the name of that idea is also considered ism. For example, justice, happiness, education, authorities. Ideas are different than things in that they are abstract and intangible, things that cannot be touched. Okay, so a few examples of an adjective would be tall, short, boring, exciting. And adjectives are words that are used to describe other words. A few examples of an adverb would be slowly, quickly, gently, happily. So in Arabic or in English, when you see a word called slowly, they are known as adverbs. And in Arabic, the Arabic noun includes the adverb as in the category of noun. So anytime you see the word ly, that adverbs are the word that described how an action took place, and that really ends in ly. Then what is a failun? Fail is defined as a word that has a tense. A fail can be in the past, present, or future tense, meaning it is an action. For example, a few examples of a past tense, which is known as fail madi, would be he stopped, he gave. The action is complete. It is something that occurred in the past. And few examples of present tense, which is known as failul mudare, would be he searches, he learns. The action is ongoing. It is something that is occurring in the present. And a few examples of a future tense, failul mudare also, would be he will succeed, he will give up. The action has not yet occurred. It is something that will occur in the future. So in the Arabic language, the failun is divided into two parts: fail madi, which is the past tense, and fail mudare, which unlike English takes care of both the present tense and the future tense. In any other language, for example, English or Urdu, we know that there is a madi, there is a hal and mustaqbil, meaning present, the past tense, the future, the present tense, and the future tense. However, Arabic deals with the present tense and the future tense in one category, and that category is known as failul mudare. So to test whether a word is a fail or not, it's a very simple test. Place the word I before it. If it makes sense, it is a fail. Otherwise, it is a not. Let us put the word came to the test. So if I say I came, this makes sense. So came is a fail. Let us put the word ice cream to the test. If I say I ice cream, this does not make sense. So ice cream is not a fail. So what is a harf? The third part of the speech or the word in Arabic, the third type of word in Arabic is a harf. Harf is defined as a word that is incomplete unless it is followed by either an ism or a fail. Another definition for harf is a word that is neither an ism nor a fail. Very simple. A few examples of a harf, which we all know from our daily lives. If we are speaking English, to, from, in, with, until. If they don't make any sense unless they are combined with a noun or a fail. For instance, I came from is an incomplete thought. The word from is a harf. For this reason, it makes no sense on its own, and it requires either an ism or a fail after it. I came from home, on the other hand, is a complete thought because the harf is followed by ism. Alhamdulillah, this was the short and very fast lesson I thought I could do in this limited amount of time. So thanks for watching. Please let me know what you think about this episode in the comments. I'm not used to do this short versions, so I'm trying. This is my first time. I hope I succeed, but your comments will help me improve. So please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get more videos like this. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. And then stay tuned for upcoming episodes where I will dive deeper into the various aspects of Arabic grammar. Happy learning. Jazakallah khairan. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika wa nashhadu la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.